This is a story time about how we fucked up our New Year's. Right? And he basically fought with his parents and he came with us. Right? अचानक से मुझे मेरा सर घूमने लगा. And I see four faces just looking at it and laughing at it. Like, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm banging the door. Please open the door. Please open the door. And I initially just stopped responding. Fuck. Okay, I saw X puking his ass off in my mouth. My mom just thap करके चाटा मारती है नीचे. While I was drunk, I made a drunk call to someone. I shouldn't have drunk. And she just comes and she covers my mouth. I have to नीचे उतरी पहले तो upside down सो गई. So my mom opens the door. And Zed is butt naked. And I think I punched someone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. We wish you a very, very, very happy new year. And I genuinely did not expect this to be my first video of 2026. I thought mera 2026 ka first video would be the most peaceful and nice video.
But
Little
that does
did I
not
know.
happen when we are together.
Never. Like exactly. Like whenever me and Sanvi are together,
Something has to
we
go
have a
on.
story to tell. Like
Exactly.
every single time we have a story to tell. And it's, I mean, I don't know if that's good or bad.
But I love that because whenever I'm telling like future stories to like
Yeah.
anyone, they all will all know of you.
Yeah, like even my mom and sister were like, you guys just have more stories than we ever did. And I was like, true. So we're back with yet another story time for you guys, which happened like very recently. By very recently, I mean two days ago. 2 days ago, on the 31st of December 2025. This is a story time about how we fucked up our New Year's.
And you shall not do it.
You guys shall not do it. Before I start with this video, I want to tell you that we do not promote the usage of alcohol or any other substances like that. We are rare drinkers. Like the New Year's was my second time that I drank, like in the entire year, and I do not drink. And number two, my parents, her parents know that we consumed a little amount of alcohol during New Year's. And okay, let's begin with the story time, guys. So, okay, tell us like a starting plan, like.
So, initially we were supposed to have like a very cutesy day. It was just supposed to be me and her. We were supposed to go to a mela and then we were supposed to come back home. Like, drink like a little, like, thoda sa daru and have like masti and watch movies and cuddle and sleep.
Yeah,
and
like the perfect plan for a sleepover. And it was like it would have been such a good start to the New Year's.
it actually
like,
would
actually,
have.
but
Little
that
did we know.
was not the freaking plan because three guys decided to join us. ऐसे guys देख के ऐसे पीछे में चले जाना. It's our friends only, but we do not want to reveal their names. That's why we're gonna call them. Let's just call them XYZ.
Actually, yeah.
And they decided to join us, and we were like, okay. The thing is, we didn't want anyone to be alone during their New Year's,
Yeah.
and that's why we let them join us. So the plan was that we'll go to the mela with them, and after that, all of them will come to my house, and we'll have a sleepover, like all of us, okay? And before going to the mela, we made like Jello shots. Like if you
Yeah.
don't know what Jello shots is, it's basically like jelly mixed with a little bit of vodka. Like it's not like too much alcohol. Like it's very little alcohol.
Because I hate the taste of
Yeah.
like any sort of alcohol. So I wanted to mix it with something like a
Yeah.
good mixer.
And we made like a strawberry jelly, and so we made like Jello shots, and then we left for the mela. And I think when jab hum mela gaye the, that was like the time.
Yeah.
We
Yes.
had so much fun. The thing is that me and one guy like X, we get very dizzy when we go to like circular freaking rides, and इनको सिर्फ circular rides करने थे.
इनको नहीं,
you,
मुझे.
हाँ, सिर्फ circular rides ही करने थे, and I was like, you know what? Let me just do it for her.
I
But
love
I was
melas.
so dizzy the entire freaking time. But even though I was so dizzy, I had so much fun. And then I made them do like a super heighted wala ride, which we had to go from like here to there and here to there. And they were literally sitting at the center. Okay, I was sitting like at the back, like the
And it
second
went
last
like
seat.
this up. It was
It
like
was
this.
so
It was like,
freaking
वो
fun.
झूला रहता ना
हाँ,
ऐसे,
इतना मजा
ऐसे.
आया ना. I swear मुझे इतना मजा आया. And we had the time of our lives मेले में, ठीक है? And we decided कि मेरे घर पे हम 12 बजे आएंगे to do the Sanvi Oak grapes tradition. If you know, you know. I'm pretty sure you guys do. So we were like, हम 12 बजे shut up. हम 12 बजे.
Somebody commented on my reel saying, कि, does anyone know this girl from Devika and Rabhya group? Like, yeah. Thanks.
तो we obviously हमें टेबल के नीचे grapes खाने थे to like fulfill our wishes, not for a relationship but like to fulfill our wishes just in case.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो we were like
This is a
हमारा plan
reminder
था.
for you to not only wish for a relationship but wish for actual
Yeah.
success in your life.
Yeah, and that's what I was gonna eat the grapes for. So we were like, ठीक है, let's go. That was our plan. And by 11 o'clock we were done with.
We were like, nahi, 10 baje we had left from the mela. We did all of the rides, by the way, all of them, because I love mela, so I made them do all
हमारा
of the rides.
पैसा उधर ही खत्म हो गया था, guys.
Yeah, so we're like, our initial plan was that we'll go and sit in a like cute cafe or like a restaurant, like a cutie restaurant or something, small restaurant. But we could not because we did not have the money to. But then we're like, okay, let's just go and have street food because it's the best. And that would actually be iconic.
True. But I met a few of my other friends and I like talked with them for like 15-20 minutes, so I couldn't eat anything. And मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है. And mind you, this girl is gonna have alcohol khali pet. You guys know what happens when someone has alcohol khali pet. And I did not eat anything. I just had like thoda sa ice cream. And bas. Uske baad we were gonna go to my house. And suddenly Sanvi calls me. Like I'm buying ice cream, okay? Sanvi calls me. And she's like, problem. And I'm like,
It's supposed to happen, yeah.
like
It's destined. We are destined for it.
oh my god. So basically one of the guys that was with us, let's call him Zed, he basically fought with his parents and he came with us, right? So his parents weren't happy about it at all because like him and his parents have this annual tradition of going to a particular place, but he wanted to spend time with us because like all of us are going to college this year and we're gonna be separated. I don't want to talk about that, but we're gonna be separated. So he wanted to spend like this last New Year's with us. Like I don't blame him, I don't blame his parents either, but his parents weren't happy about it and basically his parents shouted at him and we had to go to someone's, like our friend's society at like 11:30, 11:45 ish. And we were like, but we still had hopes that we'll hopefully make it to my house by like 12 o'clock. You guys can guess what happened. We did not. Two of the guys were in their house and they got scolding and everything while all of us were down and we were just doing a countdown at some random freaking society, and that was how we spent 12 a.m.
But that was so
of
intimate,
1st
though. I
January.
love that.
And
So intimate.
that was how we spent the 12 a.m. like 1st January, and we were all of us were together. It was like excitement for New Year's,
Yeah.
but it was also like, oh shit, कोई वो जो ऊपर है वो problem में तो नहीं फंसे या cancel हो जाएगा, like what if like they just don't come after that and our whole plan just gets cancelled. And we were like just hoping for it, but like after that we all of us just like wished each other happy New Year's after the countdown. Like I hugged her, we called our parents, and everything was like good and all, everything was good. And finally उसको डांट पड़ी and they were very sad, but हमारा plan was on, like hopefully yeah, obviously like
It was on.
तो उसके बाद हम मेरे घर गए finally and the party started and continued.
And then we had like the jello shots. The first thing we did when we got to our house was take out the jello shots, and we all were like, "Chalo,
It was so
see."
beautifully made though.
Right?
So beautifully made.
Guess what? I made it. She did not even know how to open the packet, and none of the guys helped, of course.
They were playing Clash Royale.
Yeah.
I do not know.
मर्द का चक्कर
मौत से टक्कर. Exactly. Mind you, she's still dating, so I don't know what is she talking about, but yeah.
When I say मर्द का चक्कर, I don't mean my मर्द, okay? My मर्द is perfect. Anyway,
He's annoying. Okay, continue. We had jello shots.
then we had jello shots, and we did a countdown like 3, 2, 1, and they all like took a jello shot, and I'm like,
You
I
don't know that's the fucking definition of a countdown, that when you do a countdown, you're supposed to do it after the countdown. I don't know what was in your
But I
brain
was
at
like,
that time.
okay, I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, no, I'm not gonna take this. I was like too scared to eat it.
And then she initially
So
did.
I like first like मैंने थोड़ा सा jello बाहर लिया, मैंने ऐसे किया.
And I was like,
okay, it's fine.
yeah, and then she initially drank it, okay? And then we had like 2 bottles of alcohol, like छोटे, no, like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like we had a huge bottle of like Absolute vodka, and we had another bottle of
Magic moments.
Magic
But we
Moments.
already used
Used
that.
Magic Moments for Jello shots.
shots.
So we only had like a bottle of Absolute vodka. Okay,
And it's like huge.
it was
like
huge.
this.
Okay, and मेरी चुल देखो guys, मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया सुबह से, but Miss Madam is only going to take neat shots. Neat, like they told me to take it with Coke. I'm like, no, I just, I'm just gonna take like 1 or 2 shots, but I want them neat. Okay, I want them neat, and I did do that. So I took 2 shots. I took 1 shot of like Absolute vodka, 1 shot of Magic Moments. ठीक है,
Oh.
मैंने दोनों मिक्स कर दिया भाई. वोडका is Magic Moments whiskey. I
So
don't know.
both of them are vodka, idiot.
Oh, okay.
I think.
I think so too. तो मैंने वो दोनों पिया, ठीक है, and then all of us were like dancing. It was like so nice. Like all of us were dancing, all of us drank as well. All of us like drank like 2 shots only. Like सबने 2-3 shots ही लिए.
नहीं, I did not take shots initially when you guys all were taking shots. I was like, मुझे नहीं
But then you
करना.
initially did.
But then when इसको थोड़ी सी चढ़ी ना, I'm like, you know what? I want to be in the same state as she is, because why not? Like I want to be this masti when I'm like I want to be. So I was like, दे दे भाई दे दे.
Yeah,
तू
and
दे
then
दे.
you took more shots and she was like
Yeah.
taking shot by shot by
Dum,
shot
dum,
by
dum,
shot,
dum.
ठीक है. तो फिर सब नाच रहे थे, ये सब हो रहे थे, and we all were having fun, ठीक है. फिर अचानक से मुझे मेरा सर घूमने लगता है. Okay guys, मेरा सर घूमने लगता है and I don't know what's going on, because I never get tired while dancing. I love dancing. Wherever I go, if someone is dancing, I'll dance. ठीक है, wherever I go, like for sure, ठीक है. तो अचानक से मेरा सर घूमने लगता है guys, and I just sit down and I start laughing. Like I get up to want to dance, but I can't, because I just cannot get up. And I just sit and I'm on the floor like this with my legs, and I'm just dancing to like just say ki, oh my god, even though I'm drunk, I'm just like dancing with you guys, please don't forget. And I was dancing like that, okay. And then like Sanvi noticed. Sanvi को तभी चढ़ी नहीं थी. She recently only had it, तो उसको चढ़ी नहीं थी, ठीक है. तो I mean तभी recently,
हाँ,
मैंने
मैंने
recently
just-
पिया था,
just पिया था.
just पिया था. तो
Plus मैंने थोड़ा सा खाया भी था, so I was like,
Exactly. Like
More-
उसको चढ़ी नहीं थी. तो basically she came to me and then she was like, what happened?
no,
And
I was
just
not like
like,
that. I was laughing at you.
I don't even remember all of this.
I was like,
I remember I was like this, okay? Imagine me like this, and I see 4 faces just looking at you and laughing at
Yes,
you. After that, like Sanvi eventually became like concerned for me. She was like, why the
like-
fuck is she so freaking drunk? सिर्फ 2 shots लिए नहीं, इतनी drunk क्यों है? And मुझे भी नहीं समझ आ रहा था. But like 5% of my brain, you know, was like my subconscious was like, I am drunk, I am getting out of control, and I want to get out of control, but I just watched myself getting out of control. Like I couldn't do anything about it. As much as I wanted to, I just could not do anything about it. And then continue.
so like I picked her up and like I was like, at least sofa पे तू रह, and I took like the guys का help and I kept her ऊपर, and this bitch, she's literally like laughing, and she rolls down and falls on the ground. So I was like, guys, I think you should go get the lemon. I'll like look after Devika. Go get the lemon, okay? And I was like trying to get you up, but you were like, oh no, Sanvi, and then you fell on me on top of me. So I'm like, I just took you ऐसे, and I'm like, look ऊपर, ऐसे कर रही हूँ मैं तुझे, and I made the guys like hold your like hand so that you won't hit me, cause she slapped me like 3 times, like 2-3 times, and she was like pulling on my hair, and I'm like, oh god. And then so मैंने नींबू लाया and मैंने उसका मुंह खोला. I literally had to like open her mouth. She's like biting me, and I'm like,
Bhai, I was out of control, guys, and they're trying to feed me lemon. Like I don't want it.
so I like poured the like मैंने squeeze किया lemon उसके मुंह में, and she like, and then she bit me when I was doing that. So I'm like, no, I'm done.
तो जितना लेमन था तो I consumed it, and honestly like I did feel better. ठीक है. उसके बाद initially like पहले तो मैं drunk थी. उसके बाद Zed, the guy who fought with his mother, started like the alcohol intake like धीरे started getting tipsy. ठीक है. And then he like went to pee and he locked the bathroom. And we were like, ठीक है, he's peeing, no problem. 5 minutes later, no sound of him, he's not coming out. 10 minutes later, he's not coming out. 15 minutes later, he's not coming out. We're like, what happened? We're banging the door, right? And he's like, yeah, I'm coming.
No,
We're
I
like,
did not even respond. We
No,
thought
he responded.
The
He
first
said,
time?
yeah, he said, I'm coming. He said, I'm coming. And I'm banging the door. Please open the door. Please open the door. And then initially just stopped responding. ठीक है? So I was drunk. He locked himself in the bathroom. So attention divide हो गया था. Like Sanvi paid attention to me, and the other guy Y paid attention to him. Like the Y was continuously banging the door. That open it, open it, open it, and he wasn't opening it. And the problem was कि अंदर like we didn't know what was happening. Like. Did he faint? Why did he faint? Like we don't know what is happening, and it was so freaking risky. तो why बार डोर बैंग करा था. बाथरूम की चाबी भी नहीं थी हमारे पास. बाथरूम की चाबी भी नहीं थी. शी टुक केयर ऑफ मी. ठीक है, शी टुक केयर ऑफ मी. एंड अचानक से लाइक मुझे उल्टी आ रही थी. सो आई रन टू द वॉशरूम. मैं उल्टी करती हूँ एंड शी लाइक होल्ड्स माय हेयर. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई रिमेंबर दिस मोमेंट. लाइक शी जस्ट होल्ड्स माय हेयर एंड इट जस्ट लाइक यू नो द peak girlhood moments you see in like movies and stuff like
I
that.
didn't even feel like disgust. Like usually when people puke, I feel like I'm gonna puke because it's so disgusting and I'm like I'm gonna barf. But I did not barf once. तेरे पूरे ना when you were puking, I could see your puke. Like it was in front of me.
And my
So I'm like,
soul was coming out, bro. Like my soul
you're
was literally
making
coming
dinosaur
out.
noises. You're like,
That's what happens when you freaking puke. The
no, you
fuck?
puke.
Oh my god. ठीक है. तो after I puked, I felt really good. I felt like the alcohol का effect जा रहा है. So I was gaining control. All of them were getting drunk, and I was like, you know what, like. Even like if 10% of me was like super tipsy, and 90% of me was sober, that 10% of me took control of everything. And mind you, I missed one detail. While I was drunk, I made a drunk call to someone I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have ever called. This is a sign to never drink. This is my sign that alcohol is not for me, because I drunk video called someone that I
Mind you,
shouldn't
this
have.
is the second time you're drinking. The first time you drank, you were in the hospital.
Yeah.
The second time you drank, this is what happened.
Exactly. I drunk called to someone that I shouldn't have called. And even though that person helped, like tried to help, but I shouldn't have called that person. I video called and like that person saw everything. And I am gonna
He's
leave
kind of
it.
embarrassed.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it to you guys to who I called. I think you guys know already by now who I called. But I'm gonna leave it to you guys. I'm not even gonna tell you the details and everything. So now she starts getting drunk.
And I'm crying.
She starts
Now I'm
crying.
crying.
She's crying, laughing,
Because
laughing.
the problem was the whole, like, your whole house was smelling like alcohol.
Exactly.
Like alcohol. And I'm like, let's like clean her this with like soap and shit. And no one would help me. And nobody took me seriously. They were like, nahi clean है. Just because they thought कि उन्होंने अभी alcohol साफ कर दिया, it was not clean. I could smell the alcohol.
After I came from like puking and everything, after I felt good and I saw them like getting drunk as fuck, I saw X puking his ass off in my hall.
He's sitting on the chair. He's sitting on a dining chair, and he's just looking down at the.
Exactly. I was like, oh my god. At least I puked in the freaking washroom, guys. And I get brownie points for that, okay? And I saw him puke in the hall. And she was also drunk, right? And she was just crying. She was like, how dare you puke? Please don't puke. What the fuck are you
Because
doing?
I'm
Don't
already
puke."
panicking that her house smells like alcohol, and now I'm panicking that her house
I was like,
has
puke and alcohol. Mind you, no, none of us are in the state to freaking clean it, guys. ठीक है. And basically Y was one of the friends with us, and he basically took 1 or 2 shots, and that was probably his first time drinking. Okay, so he was like sober compared to all of us combined. Like he was very much sober, and he was like basically he was taking in charge because he was the most sober and everything. ठीक है. So I remember you wiping the floor, right? You
Yeah.
wiped the. She was literally so freaking
And
drunk.
he's making fun of me. I hate you. If you're watching this, I hate you for making fun of me. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm crying there, and he's on call with Rabia. And he's,
Yeah.
like, showing Rabia ki see look what she's
So
doing.
X, as soon as he puked, went to my bed, slept.
Slept.
In 1 second. ऐसा होता है ना कि जैसे ही बेड पे लेट जाते सो गया वो. No sign of him.
He
no.
don't sleep. I think he passed out. He don't
Yeah, he literally passed out. Because no, like उसका कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रहा, कुछ नहीं आ रहा. So we were like, okay, one problem less, but one helper less as well. And you know, as much like तुम कितना भी puke साफ करो, the house will still smell like it. And mind you, the person I called was still on call during all of this. During all of this. And at one point, I remember I locked the door and I was talking to that person. And I was talking to that person thinking that that person I called was my sister.
And then Y told me that Devika, this is a male voice. And I'm like, what? And Y was banging my door as well. They open the door. And I initially did. Okay, I initially did. And Y and Rabia were literally talking to him. And they couldn't realize who that person was. They didn't realize who that person was because Y was constantly telling Rabia that that's her brother. And Rabia was like, bitch, she has no brother. What are you even talking about? तो ये हो गया था, ठीक है. एंड सानवी तब तक लाइक शी क्लीन द प्यूक एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड अब सानवी गॉट टिप्सी. And Sanvi got very tipsy, ठीक है. She got like crazy wala drunk. Now I did not know this about Sanvi, but when Sanvi gets drunk like no other person. Like I thought, when I got drunk, I thought I was the craziest. I was nothing, you guys. I was just rolling on the floor and I was just telling everyone how much I love them, how much I value them in my lives. That's it. That is me when I'm drunk. I asked why when I was drunk, and I was like, if I was mean or not, and he was like, Devika, this is the realest I've ever seen you.
This is not the realest. Wait, I won't say it's the realest. You were the sweetest, I would say. The realest Devika is this Devika only. Okay.
Yeah, but he was like, you were so genuine, and I think
you were very sweet and genuine. You were like telling everyone you love them. You were like calling your mom and like, Mom, I love you. You sacrificed so much for me. You're my entire life. And then you're like, give Papa the one, give. And then, Papa, love you. Thank you for working so hard for me. I will also work hard for you. One day I will do it. And I'm like,
and Sanvi's like,
and then
I'll
your
handle her.
sister, you were like, you're the prettiest girl I've ever seen, Didi. You're the prettiest. I love you so much. I love you.
And then okay, so Sanvi got drunk and I got super sober. Like I was all sober now, while she was very freaking drunk. Like बहुत ही ज़्यादा drunk थी भाई तू, ठीक है. तो उसके बाद I was talking to like Bharat and Rabia like that she's drunk. And she just comes and she covers my mouth. I have the video. I'll attach it if I can. Literally freaking covers my freaking mouth, and I'm like, what the heck?
I cover her mouth and I turn her head ऐसे.
She starts pulling my hair and we both start pulling each other's hair, and after pulling each other's hair we hug each other.
Yeah, we're like, I love you.
ये क्या है hashtag बहन कोड यार. क्या तो बहन कोड. You have not seen Call Me Bae? You should see it. ठीक है. तो ये हो गया था, and I was like, ये सब क्या चल रहा है? And Rabia and Vi were like,
they were just laughing on the call.
they were literally laughing at all of us.
So
they were
mean.
like, what the hell,
If you guys are watching this, you guys are mean as hell. I'm
ठीक है.
sad.
उसके बाद Sanvi went and for 1 hour Sanvi thought I was someone else, Vi was someone else, everyone was someone else. Like she wasn't calling us by our real names, and she was crying, laughing और कुछ भी बोल रही थी. I don't even know वो क्या बोल रही थी. Like no one could understand what she was saying, but she was like this. Like she was just crying. I don't know. Literally freaking crying, bro.
I'm stuck
And
on
then
the same thing. I'm like, let's clean the
yeah,
room.
she was literally freaking crying, and then I finally put her to bed. और फिर वो अचानक से उठती है पूरा नीचे उल्टी कर देती है. I'm like, oh no. Me and Vi are now the only sober ones, and we just look at each other and we're like, no. And luckily, like, ठीक है, before you puke, ठीक है, तू नीचे उतरी पहले, तू upside down सो गई, ठीक है, and then we put you to bed again, and then you just woke up and puked, and I was like, what the fuck? And I was like, at least she's sleeping, because Sanvi, if she's awake and she's drunk, she's danger. She is very danger. Let me warn you guys.
I'm never drinking.
Let me warn you guys. ठीक है, तो ये सब हुआ, and उसके बाद Sanvi slept, and me and Vi, I cleaned your puke, and me and Vi just like sat there. Vi was just traumatized, okay? And mind you, Zed is still in the bathroom locked.
Yeah.
Zed, it's been 3 hours and Zed is still in the bathroom and he's locked. Now after I clean Sanvi's puke, I just go to my entire house and the entire house smells like puke. ठीक है, और एक bathroom locked है. We don't know in what condition Zed is. And
तो मैं तो कब से बोल रही थी कि बहन जो साफ करो. नहीं.
ठीक है, ये सब हुआ, and I was like, ठीक है, at least like it's clean now. As soon as I sigh, the bell rings. And it's my parents who come back from their New Year's party.
Clock है.
Now, they know that we're drinking. They know that all of us are over. They know that we're going to do a sleepover. Now, her and ex, they've slept. Y is traumatized. Z is in the bathroom locked, and my whole house smells like puke. I opened the door, and my mom and dad, like she said, I video called my mom and dad when I was drunk, so they knew that all of us are drunk and everything. Okay.
Her dad even said, ki, come here, look at your daughter. She's so drunk.
She's so drunk. Exactly. So they come, and my mom, smells the house, and she's like, "Did someone puke?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she's like, "Okay." And they both like go to their rooms because my dad wanted to use the washroom. My dad tries to open. I have 2 washrooms in my house. एक में तो ये गधा locked है, and दूसरे में my dad tries to open the washroom, and he cannot open it. And my dad was like, "What happened to the washroom?" And I was like, "I don't know what happened to the washroom." And he's like, "Someone locked it." And I'm like, "What?" And then I remembered this fucking bitch locked it, so I don't go and puke there again.
Yeah.
कैसा logic है भाई तेरा?
I don't know what I was thinking. Okay?
She locked it. Now. My parents don't shout at me, and my parents know that they are drunk, so they know that ulti करना is very normal. तो उनको ये सब से problem नहीं है. My dad and mom just got irritated, and my dad was like, ठीक है, एक washroom locked है, मैं दूसरे में चला जाता हूँ. And I'm like, actually, Z ने अपने आप को lock कर दिया है. And my mom and dad are like, so do we have no access to washrooms? And I was like, yeah. I was sobered up by then.
But
So I knew what I did.
I'm so confused. How did I lock it from the
I
outside?
don't know. Drunk Sanvi is something else, bro.
Did I like spawn myself? Like I went inside and I locked it and I spawned myself?
Idea. Okay, drunk Sanvi is something else. So my mom and dad were like, what to do now? So my dad is like, we may have keys. Now, the key bundle, मेरी मम्मी ने जो key bundle निकाला उसमें 100 keys थे. And my mom and dad just look at me and they're like, you know what? You just wake up tomorrow morning. And I'm like, shit. Oh my god. So my mom and dad are up for 1.5 hour trying to use every key to open and खुल ही नहीं रहा bathroom. दोनों bathroom खुल ही नहीं रहे, ठीक है? And I go to my room because all of you guys are there, and I was like watching you and X sleep. I was just so calm because like क्योंकि अगर तुम दोनों जगह होते तो बहुत ही हो जाता है. It would have been exactly. It would have been such a freaking mess. So me and Y were just sitting there and we were talking and everything. We were talking about everything. तो ये सब हुआ, and then my mom finally opens मेरे room का bathroom, and then we come to open the bathroom in which Y is there, ठीक है? And mind you, before all of that, Z. Mind you, before all of this, my mom spends 1 hour, okay? She's just come from the party. She's so freaking tired. She hasn't told anything to anybody, but they were just so freaking irritated. And Y was just telling them that, we're sorry that we messed up. And we did, like, whatever that happened, it was our doing. So we messed up.
Like, we are only supposed to drink like a little. We are only supposed to get like a little tipsy. You're not supposed to get so drunk and we puke.
That's what happened. Exactly. And that's what happened. And Y was apologizing to my mother. I was apologizing to my mother. And my mom just धाप करके चाटा मारती है मुझे. Yeah, धाप करके चाटा मारती है. And I understood that it's not out of anger, it's out of frustration that like both of the bathrooms are locked and they're not able to get their sleep. And I just like look down and Y is just looking at me and I look at Y and Y is like, you know what, calm down, it's okay. Like he calmed me down a lot and he's like, calm down, it's okay. And my mom finally manages.
Sad that I was sleeping for that.
No, the thing is, my mom slapped me because she was like, "What if अंदर कुछ हो जाता भाई उसको?" ठीक है? तो my mom opens the door, and Z is butt naked.
And unconscious.
He is unconscious and he's butt naked, and my mom was like, why? You're a guy, just figure it out. Yeah, तो me and my mom sit there, and मेरी मम्मी ना बहुत चिल्लाती है मुझे, but she also knows that I'm not in the state to like get shouting, so she's like, you know what, you wake up in the morning, we'll talk. ये और खतरनाक लगता है, तेरे को पता है, like तभी चिल्ला के खत्म करो, ठीक है?
Now you're like, क्या होने वाला?
अभी क्या होने वाला? Exactly, क्या होने वाला? तो my mom, like गुस्से में, she just goes to sleep and she locks her door. ठीक है? And Y basically dresses up Z and everything. ठीक है? And he came out of the bathroom. ठीक है, all drunk and everything. वो बाहर आया, Y ने उसको कपड़े पहनाए, ठीक है, वो बाहर आया, गिर गया वापस. He was that drunk, and mind you, he didn't even drink it now, but I don't know why.
He was having secrets while we were dancing. He was secretly like,
yeah. तो ये हो गया था, ठीक है? तो we took him to the bed and like bed में jump कर गया भाई, वो बेचारी हड्डी वड्डी कुछ नहीं टूटा.
oh my god, That's why my freaking entire this side of the body hurts. I've been thinking कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे पागल की तरह ऐसे करके सोई रहूंगी इसलिए मेरी बॉडी दुख रही है. I'm gonna kill that bitch.
That's how it happened. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद ये सब हुआ. And then finally, me and Vi are so calm right now because all of them have slept. My mom and dad have slept, and me and Vi just talked for like an hour about like life and everything, college and everything, and that was nice. And उसके बाद all of these guys wake up, and I was like, guys, just get the hell out of my house. I don't want my parents to wake up, and I don't want them to shout at you. And just, you know, मेरे घर से बाहर निकल जाओ भाई, please. I don't want you guys to get scolding. And Vi is just so done taking care of all of them that he just runs away. Like वो सुबह तो भाग ही जाता है अपने घर पे, ठीक है. And then Sanvi and X like explain to me, you know what, everything's gonna be okay, calm down. They basically tell me, you know, they were drunk, like they apologize and everything. And the guy who locked himself in the bathroom,
He also ran off.
he ran off and he was still drunk, hungover. क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, hungover. And
Hungover. तंगबली ऐसे सुनाई देता है वो.
hungover, and he just freaking left. And I was like, you know what, good, ठीक है. And I was just so scared and everything. And as soon as you guys left, I went to my room and I slept.
I know.
And then I woke up at 4 o'clock or something. And you guys, let me now. This is one of the main parts of the story. When I woke up at 4 o'clock or something, right, I couldn't look at myself in the mirror because I felt so guilty. I felt so guilty because the thing is that my mom and dad give me the privilege of getting to drink with my friends, getting to enjoy, getting to party with my friends, and I
Mind you, they
misused
bought
it.
the bottle.
Exactly. I literally misused that because we took things way out of control. Like we took things way out of control, and that was not what was supposed to happen. And even though my parents say that's okay, I saw their disappointed faces.
Yeah.
Like I saw, like my parents will never raise their hands at me. And you guys have already seen how my mom is in the previous video. ठीक है, so you know. And I was just so freaking disappointed in myself. I was just
sorry,
like,
uncle, auntie. You gave us so much and we gave you.
I was just like, kitna
So
like.
little.
And the thing is that I wasn't disappointed in all of them because you know what, they were drunk. But as a host, it was my freaking house, and कहीं ना कहीं मुझे control करना चाहिए था. तो for like the first Jan and the second Jan, all I did was I spent 2 days crying, hating on myself, being so guilty. My whole friend group was basically trying to reach out to me, but I just wasn't in the state of talking to anyone because I just felt so guilty. And I didn't feel guilty for like calling them, drinking, partying or anything. I felt guilty for myself because at the end of the day, I was out of control. They were out of control, but yes, I was out of control, and I just felt so freaking bad. I hated on myself. I started crying. And like when I woke up in the morning, मेरे mom dad ने मुझे कुछ नहीं बोला. मेरे dad ने बोला कि you know I've done this मेरे age में also, you know what, chill out, कुछ नहीं होता. And my mom was like, you know what, it's okay, calm down, we'll figure it out, कुछ तो कर लेंगे. But what you did isn't right. We don't, just because we are not telling you anything, that doesn't mean that you don't know that it's not right. And my mom and dad didn't tell me anything because they already know how hard I'm gonna be on myself. For 2 days, I was crying continuously. She was trying to reach out to me, and I tried
and
talking
this bitch
to
was
her.
like, anytime or bye.
And I tried talking to her, but I was like, you know what? I just feel so shit right now, and I hate myself right now. I can't look at myself in the mirror, and the thing is that I can't fake it with you. I can't fake it with you. I can't be like, oh my god, I'm so okay. Like I can't. Like
Yeah, I could tell
you
from
will
your
recognize like this. Like with you and Rabia, you guys recognize like this अगर मुझे कुछ हुआ. So I was like, let me just tell them the truth. I told them I just feel so guilty, so shitty about myself, about whatever I did. I was out of control at the end of the day, and I, you know, नहीं करना चाहिए था ये सब. Like drinking is okay. I mean, drinking at 17 is not okay, but फिर भी party के लिए हमने पिया, but we just got out of control, and that was not okay. So for 2 days I was just crying continuously, and like 3rd Jan ko, I just felt so much more better. And then when I contacted her, and she's like, you're contacting me finally. And I was like, you know what, she's allowed to be mad because like I just can't shut out people like that. Like that's what I did. I shut out people for 2 days, and I was like, Happy New Year,
You know,
Devika, this is
because-
what you did. Like I was so sad. Like I started
At
crying.
some point, yeah, you're a host. I get that. Whatever you're feeling, I 100% understand. But you need to understand that we felt the same amount of guilty because it was the fact that we were at someone else's
Not
house.
we, only you and me.
Oh, yeah.
Only you and me.
I mean,
X felt guilty as well.
X felt so bad. Like, he could not even talk to me for a while. He was like, he's not talking to me for...
Like it was just very, and I was just very, one more thing that I was very conscious about was how am I gonna face these people again. ऐसा होता है ना कि एक इंसिडेंट होता है उसके बाद पूरा फ्रेंड ग्रुप ही टूट जाता है, लाइक यू डोंट इवन नो बट टूट जाता है, तो मेरे को उसका डर था. एंड मेरे साथ ऑलरेडी ऐसा I've had friendship breakups in 2025, तो मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा डर गई थी. But when they reached out to me and I'm like, you know what, these people aren't like this, which is one thing that I'm so freaking grateful about. ठीक है कि ये लोग ऐसे नहीं हैं. I just felt so good. And 3rd Jan को I finally like regained my spark and everything, and I spoke to everyone. I just felt so much more better. And I realized that hating on myself is not gonna get me anywhere. But instead, I'm just gonna set boundaries that maybe alcohol just isn't my thing. Like नहीं सूट करता तो नहीं सूट करता. And yeah, this is just, and me and Sanvi were talking on video call yesterday and we were talking about making this video, and Sanvi was like, you know Devika, I realized that because we had alcohol, like itna alcohol, we wasted so much potential. Like we could play so many games, we could do so many things.
Much. We could have watched like a horror movie. We could have, हमने ना मैगी ऑलरेडी ला के रखी थी पहले से, so we all could make it together and have it एक साथ. So just imagine we're having Maggie, just chit chatting and talking. That would have been so much fun. Like we wasted such a precious like time. Like because अभी boards आने वाला है, so obviously we cannot like.
उसके बाद entrances है और फिर सबके colleges.
Colleges, exactly. So
and we may not even get time like to spend it together.
Exactly.
And yes, so we wasted a lot of potential and things got really out of control. But this is just to tell you guys, I don't want to hide anything from you guys. We want to be very like, whatever we've told you is like 100% the truth. We are not even hiding anything. This is as much as we remember. Like हम उठे थे, हमें पता भी नहीं था क्या हो रहा था. This is whatever we remember. And we just want to tell you that
the stuff she told me that I did, I did not even know.
Same. Like what I did, she told me, and I was just like, and like having alcohol is not fun. Like let me just tell you, if you want to have fun with your friend group,
if you are in control and
that's
you know
okay.
what you are doing, it's fine. Like if you are taking like 8 shots like we did,
मत
take
करो.
at least.
अगर
That's
तुमसे
it.
नहीं होता तो मत करो.
Maximum 2.
It's okay if you're not having alcohol in a group hangout, and it's okay, and you can enjoy so much more. Like you can enjoy, like our main aim of getting alcohol was just to get a little tipsy and have fun. But things got really out of control, and we do realize that. So anyways guys, that's how we spent our New Year's. At least I was with you, bro.
Yeah, I was
Like-
the only thing I was happy, and I was scared about that as well. Like you said, you will lose like people.
I
And
thought I
was
lost
so,
you.
I was so
I
scared.
thought I lost
And
you.
then this bitch texted me at the same time, and she's like, "I need some time away," and I'm like, "My world is over." I'm like, "Done."
I swear.
I did not step out of
Those
the
2
house.
days,
I was
those
like,
2 days, I was just in my room and I was crying, and my mom and dad just hugged me and they said that it's okay.
I just wanna say that please, guys, like keep
Control.
like be aware of what you're doing, and like don't get like pressurized to drink. Like just because everyone around you is drinking, maybe you can be the responsible one. Maybe you can be the why of our group. Maybe you can be like, yeah, I took responsibility for this bitch, I took responsibility for that bitch, and yeah.
Exactly. And once again, before I end this video, we do not promote the usage of alcohol,
Yeah.
guys.
I
We actually
wish-
regret whatever happened.
Yeah.
Like
I
we
wish I could
regret
turn it
whatever
around.
happened, but we cannot. But we cannot, and that's the fact. And instead of just hating on ourselves, we can just move forward. And next time, if something like
Learn
this happens,
from-
we are in this setting, we know our boundaries, and that's a good thing. मतलब तो भगवान ने मुझे पहले ही सीख दे दी. पहले ही साल के पहले ही 12 बजे के दिन, like first day मुझे सीख मिल गई. Like thank you God for that, and hopefully like nothing happened to anyone.
Yeah.
Nothing happened to anyone. Anyways, it's a 43-minute video. We
my
filmed so freaking, we yapped so freaking much. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this.
And
Acha.
okay, wait.
Sorry, yeah.
I broke my toe, by the way, because I don't know what I was
Oh my
doing.
God.
I broke my toe.
You
Like,
guys,
this is not working.
bro, do you know? So basically, and when I woke up in the morning, I saw a bruise over here, and I think I punched someone.
Yeah, this bitch ex को इसने इतने बार चाटा मारा ना. हम लोग घर जा रहे थे जब.
So basically, she was puking, and I was freaking panicking.
Wait, रुक. अभी हम सुबह जा रहे थे घर, and I look at me and ex are going together, and I look at ex का गाल इस side का, and it's like a purple mark, and I'm like, who gave you a hickey, bro? And then he's like, nobody. This bitch punched the shit out of me.
That's because she was puking and I was panicking and I wanted help. Okay, so I woke him up. I was like, you know what? You've slept for 2 fucking hours and I've had no amount of sleep or anything and I'm a mess. So I wake him up. I slap him 5 times and mind you, like मेरी थप्पड़ लगती है guys. तो मैंने उसको थप्पड़ मारा 5 बार. Bro still didn't wake up. Bro slept like nothing happened. You know, when I slapped him, he told me, मुझे पता है तू मुझे थप्पड़ मार रही है. And then he just went and slept and I was like, sorry bye. So when I woke up, I had like a bruise here and I was like, who the fuck did I punch? Like, I don't know. Like,
Why
I didn't even know what I
slapping
did. Exactly. Oh my god, I didn't even know what I did, you guys.
When she was on the floor laughing at the start, okay, tabhi since she was khali pet, I was like, let's give her some gummies. We bought some gummies also, like
I was throwing it
sour
at everyone.
candies, and she took a bite out of one and she took it in her hand and she was looking at it and she threw it at me, at my face.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this story time and I hope you learned something from this story time just like we did.
Yes.
Enjoyment and learning.
You don't need to
both.
make the mistake.
Exactly.
We made the
Exactly.
mistake for you guys.
Enjoyment
So that
and
you guys can
learning
learn.
both. Happy New Year, guys. I hope 2026 is gonna be an amazing year. I can already feel it. Like मुझे first day में इतनी सीख मिल गई and ये सब हुआ. I can already feel it. Anyways, I hope 2026 is gonna be kind to all of us and I hope you guys understand that as much as I want you guys to listen to the story time and entertain yourselves, I also want you guys to take something from it, just like we did. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys missed Sanvi a lot as well. You guys,
Nobody did. Let's not lie.
you guys missed Sanvi as well. Anyways, say bye to them. Do like this and
Yes.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm
Speak
gonna do
Sanvi,
that. Okay?
yeah.
Bye, guys.
पूरा कवर करना पागल है क्या?
पागल है क्या भाई? पागल है क्या?
पागल है क्या? कर पप्पी दे.
Bye, guys. Mwah.